What's up everyone? In this video I wanted to give a quick update on the amazing updates that OpenAI did for their DevDay. So there are quite a few very exciting things, and let's go ahead and dive into them. So some of the first ones here is there's a new GPT-4 Turbo model that is more capable, cheaper, and supports a larger context window, 128K. And then the new Assistance API makes it easier for developers to build an assistive AI app that can call models and tools, which is amazing. And the new multimodal capabilities in the platform include vision, image creation with DALL-E 3, and the text-to-speech, the TTS. So some of these things here, yeah, they have GPT-4 Turbo with the larger context, which is amazing. So now you can add in more data and be able to have that context to pull out more prompt results, which is fantastic. There's a lot more kind of technical details here on the full release page, which I'll add down in the video description if you want to check it out. And then also the GPT 3.5 Turbo has a larger context, 16K window by default, which is amazing. And with the Assistance API, you can also now do retrieval in code interpreter. So I just released another video here. Here in the playground, you can actually create all your different assistants. So I've been playing around with creating a lot of different assistants here, and you can build all of this without code. So like here's an example, content marketing secrets for a lot of the work I've done in content marketing. I give it some instructions on, hey, this is the assistant, and you can even upload docs, information to be able to reference that. So basically you have your own kind of knowledge base, similar to a knowledge base to be able to reference, and you can have assistants kind of targeted for specific niches of a business or the work that you're trying to do, which is amazing. And the Assistance API lets the developers build like these agent-like experiences within their own applications. So I highly recommend checking out the Assistance API data here that you can use to create your own, code up your own ChatGPT assistant. And the other pieces here, you can add in code interpreter. So like here in the playground, you can actually add in code interpreter. So in the video example here, they have code interpreter turned on, and they show how many days would it take to drive from Earth to the moon. And it actually does all these calculations for you, which is kind of what this video is showing, which is really cool. And then the other piece here is there's new modalities in the API. So GPT-4 Turbo now has vision to be able to accept image as inputs, which is really great. You have DALL-E 3, so developers can now integrate DALL-E 3, which is amazing to be able to do like image creation right from the GPT API. And then the text-to-speech, so TTS, you can now generate human quality like speech. They have examples here actually of like what it's like to read this, which is amazing. So you can definitely check out some of these voice samples here. And then you can also do fine-tuning for GPT, and there's also like custom models program. So selected organizations are going to be able to work with OpenAI researchers, and you can actually apply to that. And the best thing here, I think, is there's going to be some lower prices and higher rate limits. So GPT-4 Turbo input tokens are 3 times cheaper than GPT-4 at 0.01 cent, and output tokens are 2x cheaper at 0.03. And then GPT 3.5 Turbo input tokens are actually 3 times cheaper than the previous 16K model. And then the fine-tuned GPT 3.5 Turbo 4K model are reduced by 4x. So, and they've got, the breakdown in a table here on what that looks like, which is awesome. And more information about Copyright Shield. So if you face legal claims around copyright infringement, they will actually pay for the costs incurred, which is really amazing. And then they also have the Whisper version 3 and consistency decoder added in. So it's the next version of the open source automatic speech recognition model, which is improved performance across languages. So to do like language translation, which I talked a little bit about with Lex Friedman's podcast in a recent video, so I'd highly recommend checking that out. And there you go. These are the top updates from the DevDay announcements at OpenAI. OpenAI. If you have questions, please drop them down in the comment section below. Please check out some of my other videos that I've done on the channel recently about AI and tech. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Remember to keep moving forward, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.